Yo, what up, guys? This is your boy Number 77, and today I'm at Landofrost Car Show. Model A, 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air, right? Is that Bel Air?
Yeah.
Woo! Now that's what I'm talking about right there. Look at that old truck. That's a nice antique truck right there.
Yeah, it is.
Right now I'm broadcasting for YouTube.
Oh, yeah? Good deal.
Baba, here's Corvette. Come here. I tried the race to go.
Another a YouTuber here, so YouTubers need to go first. Smile for the YouTube camcorder. Other than why, I don't know why that person got pin in his mouth, but okay. Looking at these nice cars and the nice T-shirt.
There you go.
My dad's here somewhere.
Yeah.
You wanna come look around with me, I guess?
Huh?
You wanna come look around with me, I guess?
I don't know.
Since I'm technically recording for YouTube.
Oh, I don't know.
There's my shadow. She's making fun of my own shadow on YouTube. Hey, the Mustang Fox body. Hey, that's one nice Mustang Fox body right there.
Yeah.
Other than my mom don't like Fox bodies, but I don't know what's her problem, but though. Guy with the Camaro shit right there. And the last car on this row is this. On to the next row. 1, 2, 3. Bam! On the second row. Look at that old truck. Wow. Since I actually kind of like this truck a little bit more, I want to show you guys. Oop. There's the owner right there. YouTube. Well, I asked him to say hi to YouTube, but he didn't answer, but okay. A nice yellow truck. Gosh, NASA Space Station can see this truck. Gosh, just recording for YouTube here. Wow, what a blue truck. I love the blue. Silverado guy, is this your truck? Is this your truck? Say hi to YouTube.
Hello, YouTube. How you doing today?
Good. But this is a nice Chevrolet Silverado.
Brand spanking new, 2018.
And I like the Colorados too. Our nearest big payback at a game, they got a Chevrolet Colorado.
Called a Deep Ocean Blue.
Deep Ocean Blue. Matty Deep Ocean Blue. Because of the way he got the sparkles and stuff. I don't know if you guys can see it, but okay. Oh, I love this Dodge Ram 1500. Gosh, this thing is beautiful. Just recording for YouTube here. Pontiac GTO. Wow. A Subaru STI/WRX. So, Fearless Vlogger, if you watch it, will watch this. This is one of the nice cars too. Standard, beautiful interior. I'm not actually in the car, but looking at the rear view.
Hey, partner, how you doing?
Good. I'm recording for YouTube. I don't know if I really should record you with that stuff in there, but say hi to YouTube, I guess.
You're not gonna put this on YouTube, are you?
I have to put this whole entire car show on YouTube.
Are you really? That's your job?
Kind of, yeah. I don't come up with this YouTube channel, so I best to put videos. I got a lot of 7-car shows on there, especially with that McLaren.
You need to edit it though.
My cousin loves this car.
Tell me you love it too. Say I love it.
Yep. Hey, have you heard that song? I like it. I love it. I want some more of it. That's a nice exhaust pipe you got there. Gosh. Nice spoiler, but it ain't carbon. I prefer a carbon spoiler on that, but it's good what it is right now. Huh? $4 grand? This car's an okay truck. Hey man, you're on YouTube now. I go with beautiful hair, but okay. A straight four. Na, 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 na. Oh, look at this! All this stuff. That's a lot. That's technically his medals. So is this yours? Do you think you can kind of open this and show people stuff? Like what it looks like on the inside?
I think it's full of marijuana. They don't want to open it up.
Oh. I might have to edit that out again. But I can see it has that stuff in there. Cause it's old, but okay, but why would they have that stuff in here? Why would they bring it to the car show? But usually they take that stuff out, and usually they do take that stuff out though. Usually, but that's what they had back then though. Some moonshine too. They could have in there too, but okay. Hopefully I don't get reported on YouTube, but I've heard a lot more people say worse things. Nice rear. We're into the Dodge. Nice. Just to let you know, some of y'all people might accidentally be on YouTube, but oh, this is a okay truck. Here you got the Landofrost truck, technically. An old Dodge truck right here, yeah. Pretty good looking truck. Oh, nice Corvette right here. Since I like Corvette, I'm gonna show you a better view. Nice looking leather, kind of, and there's the top of the Corvette right there. Who would have thought about putting it in the back? Well, everyone would thought. But an old truck right here. Are you the owner of this? That's a nice truck right there. Say hi to YouTube. Ooh, that's nice engine. This Celery was one of my favorite photos. Okay, an old 2015 Mustang, I think. Wait, let's see. 2007. I forgot about that. Here's the now it's on YouTube now. Alright, wait a bit. This is a nice car. So, that guy is like enjoying his time right there, I guess. My low power engine. Chevrolet Corvette. Ooh, that's got some nice carbon on this. Wow. Beautiful interior. Wow. Look at that Mustang. Wow. Wow. Nice looking purple engine. I wonder how much money it took to. Does one of y'all own this car? How did you get the right purple stuff on there? Didn't it cost like thousands of dollars? Is it okay if I could put this car on YouTube? I suppose your favorite color is purple, ain't it? That's my mom's favorite color. Yeah. Nice trunk. At least I didn't have my other phone. My other phone records, and it's all blurry. And now this sees it clearly. Ooh, look at this beautiful Mustang. There's some micro cars, other than you can't literally get in it, but. This is a nice antique car right here. Wooden dome. Just to let you know, I'm recording every one of these cars on YouTube. So if you don't want to be on YouTube, just let me know.
I know the owner of the truck, he probably won't care long as it's gonna get stolen.
Like I want to steal that kind of truck.
Get caught real quick.
Yeah. I'm not a guy that likes to steal. I would prefer to buy these cars. To me, my favorite car is the CT9 Dodge Charger RT. That's a perfect car. Okay, I'm back again. I had to go do something. This is a nice car, Bug in there, right there. Okay. Nice SS, Martin, whatever this car is. Chevelle. Hey, you on one of two of these? Are you one of the owners of these?
I have that one, and he has this one.
Just to let you know, is it okay if you got one of you, it's a child that owner of these cars, you can be on YouTube?
Sure. Yeah, you're welcome to do anything as long as you don't have me in it.
Well, you're technically the owner, so you're supposed to be in it, because this is a car show, and...
Yeah, that's fine. I don't care.
So you actually race this car?
No.
I was talking about him.
No.
You actually race this car?
Sometimes.
Where do you race it at? Yeah, where do you race it at?
Oh, Las Vegas. There's a track in Las Vegas. There's a track in Bowling Green, Kentucky.
I don't think I got that kind of money to go there and watch you race, but wonder if you could bring some merch here.
Some what?
Merch, as in shirts and stuff. I sell merch myself.
Oh, you do?
Yeah, for my YouTube channel. This is literally a picture of my YouTube channel. But you need to sell shirts. Wait, do you?
Do what?
Do you give away shirts?
No.
Oh. There's a racer called Ken Block. You know, have you heard of him? He is amazing on the wheels. I mean, his drifts are amazing and admiring. If you have a phone, go search him up. He's awesome. He drives for the brand Monster. Another drink, Monster Energy. I hope one of the paper fell. But that's some nice dual exhausts. You recording too? I just kind of like it. Hey, ain't you messing with something? The hood is not open in that miniature car. As a miniature version of him. Who made that car for you?
We have a Landofrost cutting board.
Just bought it.
For car number 25.
Wait, how many cars did they? How many of these cars did they got?
Somewhere around 1,000.
Holy crud!
Do you want me to just stand here?
University group.
I'm sorry?
Did you want me to just stand up here by?
Number 37, Tom.
Okay, on to the next row.
We have a...
Okay, guys, I'm on the third row. Now, that's a nice little Jeep right there. Wow. One of the the slowest cars. But, and this is why I said that my car, the one of the cars is the favorite. Right here. Ooh, the McLaren. I mean, the Mercedes AM. Why did I call it McLaren? Because McLaren's over there. Mercedes AMG. Wow, look at that beautiful engine. That's carbon fiber on the vents. Beautiful interior. there's a screen that on some games. I might be able to record it in the future videos, but I'll show you about this car. Carbon hood, nice little wing. Okay, on to the next car. But so on, this car is not where. Wherever they have this car, but and whatever. Okay, one of my other favorite cars. Carry on. Okay. The nice carbon hood. And okay interior for a good car. A sunroof. And let's see what this other compact car. Nice looking high-end spoiler. Okay, this other compact. Ooh. Look at the exhaust. They got racing exhaust. Wow. Oh my gosh. A nice old truck with the money jar on top. Pretty nice.
V6.
A what?
A 305E V6. Stock engine.
Nice looking engine right there. Usually the stock is the best sometimes. Right?
Sir?
Usually stock is the best.
Yep.
Especially the older of a truck.
Yep.
I've actually seen this done like somewhere around there. But it's blue and had like wood on the back. It looks like
Now
wood.
my father-in-law put that bed in 2 summers ago himself. He's 86 years old. He put that bed in.
Wow. Beautiful bed. And my daddy got something like this, but his white truck is over there. Sorry, I touched that, but
Okay.
he has that but diamond plated. Kind of looks the same, but it opens like this. Okay, on to the next car. I think this is a Dodge Hornet. Yeah, this is the Hornet. Why I get that and a Dodge mixed up. Okay.
Smart.
Yeah, it's the Dodge Hornet right here. Nice little V8, I think. I don't know.
It looks almost like my daughter's Dodge Dart.
Dodge what?
Dart.
Hi everyone, my name is Deborah and I'm from
Okay,
the
nice to
Big Red
meet you,
here in
Deborah.
New Jersey on BB Caps. And if you come into
Okay.
32-ounce stainless steel,
This is nice.
and our place is Jack Link's Jerky Filled.
I can't tell if this is
So come on
El
in and
Camino or
see
El
Lori, and
Rancho.
We'll tell you all about the rewards.
El Camino. Wow. Why has it got the Thunderbird symbol?
Black Knight car.
Oh, Black Knight?
Yeah. Special edition.
And then I wish it was a Pontiac. Smokey and the Bandit car. I wish they had this that here. Okay, on to the next car. Mazda Miata. This is a cute car. So this is like everybody says this is a toy car, so I'm just making fun of my reflection. Okay, on to the second row. Okay, I'm on like 4th row, I think. Okay, let's look. Wow. That's one beautiful car. SS Monte Carlo. Wow. Nice old Ford Mustang right there. Cadillac right there. Wow. Nice old car right there. Now here's one of my favorite areas. Wow, look at that Ford GT. Wow. The other one over there that I seen last time. Nice dual exhaust. And here's the one that Instagram was seeing. Am I gonna have to snapshot it too? Nice old Cadillac. Wow. And the last car on this, second to the last car on this list, this is a nice McLaren It's the one beautiful McLaren right here that I showed you guys on Instagram a year ago.
Well, that'll be the day when you say goodbye. Yes, that'll be the day when you make me cry. You say you're gonna leave, you know it's a lie. 'Cause that'll be the day when I die. Well, you give me all your love and you turn down all your hugs and kisses and your money too. Well,
Nice dual exhaust right there.
tell me maybe that someday we'll
That's carbon splitter.
when you say goodbye.
Now on to the last car on this list. And on to the last car on this list. Nice gold old Chevrolet Corvette. Beautiful interior. God, I gotta put another video. Yes, I said this car would be the last on the list, but that car way over there, but I guess not. There's a few latecomers here. And this is a nice Chevy Colorado. Ain't that right? I guess say hi to YouTube.
Hey.
Hey, are you gonna open the hood? I never seen the inside of a Colorado before. I never seen the hood in a Colorado.
It's not mud. It's all stock in here.
Well, stock's the best. Ooh, these 6-cylinder.
I couldn't get those out.
I said I was 6-cylinder. Wow. To me, I like the whole engine. I don't care if it's new or old, but as long as it don't look like crud. And this don't look like crud. It looks like it has a lot of horsepower in it. Well, not really in the truck, but nice interior. Nice bed. Okay, on to that last car. Hey, do that again! For YouTube's sake. Can one of y'all do that again for YouTube? Especially since there's another YouTuber right there. See?
You guys are YouTubers, huh?
Yeah, he got a lot more than I do, but
Yeah. I'll tell you what, I'll fire it up a little bit later on after I get her cleaned up.
okay. Just tell me when you get a chance. Guy without a camera holder.
I'm so glad that you guys came out to our third annual Landofrost Car Show benefiting juvenile diabetes. Want to make sure that we get
Yeah.
a shout out to our special VIP guests.
Hey, you got a piston on your keyring.
Yeah, I do.
This is it a 6-cylinder or a 4-cylinder?
That's an 8-cylinder.
Neither, but okay. Hey, I like your shifter. Look at that blower. I don't act like I'm the other guy cameraman.
So I've got car number 32, Ernest Guthrie. Got you.
Hey, I'm giving this guy a shout out.
Car number 43.
Hey, you gonna give me a shout out too?
Got you.
I'm giving you a shout out right now.
Car number 21.
What's your YouTube channel called again?
Team Frosty.
Team Frosty, the first one on that list. I mean, shout out to Team Frosty right here.
Got you a nice.
Now you need to give me a shout out.
What's your
Number
Nonsense News, nope, no 177.
Shout
out to Nonsense News.
Nonsense News, nope, no 177.
There you go.
And since you got
got you a pair of work gloves from Tri-State.
since did you see my YouTube channel on there yet?
Yeah, we can get some photos.
You gotta snapshot it so you can also put it on video. Just tell me when you're gonna rev up the engine again. Does this car?
We've got two rib
Does this thing got a rev eliminator?
What?
A rev eliminator.
A rev limiter?
Yes.
No, I don't believe in rev limiter.
I can't believe on some games they got a rev eliminator. That's kind of stupid. They got it in games. Like a Mustang, it could go to 230, not past 230. I mean, seriously. 1965 Mustang going that fast. Dang. Dun, 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 dun. Hey, did you record that one over there? Sorry, I'm on the way, but did you record that one, that car on that trailer over there?
Not yet.
You want to go do that after this car?
I might here in a second. I gotta make my way over here to these vehicles.
I already recorded the whole thing in one go. But mine is like, when I pause, you know this pause button right here beside the camera? I pause, I snap, then pause, and I start recording over here. Poof, I'm in the next, like magic, I teleported over here. Okay. Okay, I'm pretty sure this is gonna be the last car on this list. So still the number one top car is that McLaren. And that Mercedes-Benz AMG. Now this is a car I'm talking about. Hey, I actually got one of those tires over there. Wow, those are amazing exhaust pipes. Look at that blower. Gosh. Kind of bad sound effects, but okay. Hey, you got a wheelie bar on it too. And a parachute too. Okay, that might not be on the last one on the list. Okay, this is a Landofrost car show. So I gotta at least record their piece of work. Okay, this is the brand new Cardassia. Wow, what a engine. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're new. Nonsense News number 177. And I hope you guys like the car show and enjoy my future videos. So turn on the bell and notifications, which the bell goes ring a ding ding ding. And well, subscribe if you're new. But hope you guys enjoy the video and subscribe. Bye.